Hello there, good morning, good people of Anambra State. Welcome you all my subscribers and all my viewers to Didi's Masterclass. And we've been focusing on Anambra Road Construction, where we give you an update of what is going on in Anambra, a massive road construction crusade that is embarked by Professor Chukwuma Saludo, the governor. Last time I briefly showed you what is going on, and this is an update. As you can see that they are done with the concrete. Right now they are preparing the road to be tarred. Okay, so this is exactly what is going on at this moment. Remember, this is still the road Ajalli, Umuowaya and ogbunka, Umueji ogbunka road. Okay, right now we are in the Umueji axis of this this project. So a lot of things are happening right now. This is a laudable and a commendable work by the governor, and they said you can't do anything against result. All right. The good thing about this is that it's going to go down in history that he's actually the one that tarred this road. All right. So that's the good thing. All right. So I think they are doing a whole lot of work. I promised to show you along this line there are two bridges under construction. So I'm going to show you each of those bridges and to what extent the construction have gone. To what extent the construction have gone. You can see that people are happy enjoying the tarred road. Okay, this is development in progress. And the good thing about this is that in Anambra State right now, this is a massive work. There are a whole lot of village road, link roads, and many roads like these that are being simultaneously constructed at the same time by this administration. So I think this is huge. This is promise kept, because I remember during Saludo's campaign, one of the campaign promises that he's going to embark on a massive road construction project, and this is what he's doing this in his first tenure. All right, so this is commendable. This is huge. Like I said, I'm going to give you an update. If you're from this part of the Anambra State, you know that the construction is actually going on in your area. I just want to give you a sample of what is happening right now. I hope to visit some other construction sites to show you exactly what is going on. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to Didi Masterclass on YouTube. Here we update you with a whole lot of information as regards to real estate, as regards to land and properties in Anambra State, okay, and the environment. Thank you so much, and I remain Didi. God bless you.